This is your technical update from the LMAX Exchange Research and Analytics Desk for Friday, May 15th, 2015. Euro dollar. So the euro continues to inch closer towards its double bottom measured move objective around the February peak at 115.35. At this point, only a break and close back below recent lows that we saw at 13.40 would take the immediate pressure off the downside. Sterling dollar. So cable has extended gains to fresh 2015 highs this week, and the market doesn't look like it's ready to give up just yet and could be poised for fresh upside towards a measured move objective in the 159 area. At this point, only a close back below the recent low at 157.27 would take the immediate pressure off the top side. Dollar yen. So dollar yen continues with its sideways chop over the past several weeks and even months, and the market will need to either break above 122.03, the 7-year high from earlier this year, or back below 118.23 to open the door for a clear directional bias. But at this point, given the broader uptrend is firmly intact, a break above 122.03 is favored for the next upside extension towards the 125 to 130 area further up. Really only a close back below 118.23 would delay but not negate the constructive outlook. Euro Swiss. So Euro Swiss has been in recovery mode over the past couple of weeks, and the market looks like it wants to put in a fresh higher low around the 103 area in favor of the next upside extension to be confirmed on a break back above 105.25. This would then open the door for a resumption of gains up towards a move towards that 108.15 high that we saw from back in February. Aussie dollar. So Aussie remains locked within a more well-defined downtrend, but the market has recently broken higher to open some gains after breaking above a neckline that should expose a move towards the 8,300 area, potentially further up. At this point, any rally should be very well capped in the 8,300 area or ahead of that level in favor of a resumption of the downtrend back below those recent lows that we saw this year around the 75.30 area. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD is closing in on reaching its measured move objective after breaking below 123.50 several days back, and that objective comes in around the 118.65 area. Once we get down to 118.65, the market should then look to put in a medium-term higher low in favor of a broader bullish resumption. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar has been locked in a sideways chop over the past several weeks, though the market is also confined to a broader downtrend with a lower top sought out at 77.44 in favor of the next major downside extension below 71.76. SPX 500. So the S&P 500 continues to consolidate just off those recent record highs that we saw at 21.26 and is at risk for breaking to yet another record high on Friday. However, at the same time, the market has been unable to really do a good job of sustaining gains up at current levels, and we could still be poised for the formation of a major top in favor of the next downside extension below critical support at 2040. At this point, a breakback below the low this week that we saw, which comes in around 2084, would be required to take the immediate pressure off the top side. Gold. So a bit of an interesting development for gold, with the market taking out key resistance at 12.25 the other day, breaking up to as high as 12.27. But we'll need to see a close below 12.25 to encourage the prospect for a more meaningful base, with the close to open fresh upside back above 11300 in the weeks ahead. At the same time, inability to close above 12.25 will keep the consolidation intact, with only a breakback below 1170 to put the pressure back on the downside.